Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Yogita Sanwal Lifestyle. Hope everybody is fine. Friends, today I would like to show you our beautiful flower which is from the tree red flame tree or the flame of the forest. Some people call it, and in Cyprus we call it framboia. It's with the different names, and these flowers come in different colors. Sometimes they are very dark red, and we have which is like a yellowish, orangish, reddish color of this flower. You can see how beautiful they look. I would like to show you the whole tree. See friends, this tree trunk is little light brownish, you can say, but from far it looks little creamish color. And this tree was we bought as a baby plant which was like 6-7 years old, but after 2.5 years its trunk became thick, and this is the first time when it starts giving us these beautiful flowers. You can see friends how pretty this tree looks now. Before it was so thin, only 3-4 branches were coming out, and now you can see it's full of branches, leaves, and some of the flowers came out. A more cluster of flower gonna come soon. You can see, friends, we have sprayed 3 times pesticides for this tree and our all garden trees and plants so that they can be healthy. You can see how pretty this tree look, and I'm under this tree now. In Cyprus you're gonna find this tree most of the places, but with dark red color. When we bought it, this baby plant, we thought it's also gonna come like dark color, but now after the first time it's blooming after we bought this, it's come out to be like yellowish, orangish color. You can see.